Welcome to Python video tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to install Python software. So in the previous video we have seen where from to download and how to download, what to download depends upon your operating system. You have to choose which one should be downloaded. Here I have downloaded Windows version of Python. So when you double click on the installations file, then you will get the Python setup 3.3.2 setup. That is a version of Python which I have downloaded. So then you will get a window here and it will ask for you the location where to install Python. So here by default it is saying C:/Python 33. So that's a folder going to be created by Python, and that will be installed. If you wish to change the location, you can change, then click next. Then the option is to choose which are all the options you required for your Python. So there are three options. Entire feature will be installed on your drive. Features will be installed when required. The feature will be unavailable. So naturally entire features will be installed on the hardware is the option suitable for us, so that our software will be working perfectly. And here choose entire features on register extension tc/tk. Entire features be selected, and the documentation. The documentation is the place where the software documentations are available. So choose entire features, utility scripts, text suite, and python.exe to paths. So to set the paths, you can install that option as well as, then click next. So each and every item, when it is selected, it is showing how much disk space is being occupied for each and every option. If you select, anyhow it is not a big space. The total installation space is small enough to occupy any of the hard disk space. So you can choose all options so that the system will be executed perfectly. Click next, and now it is installing Python 3.3.2. so the installation procedure may take a few minutes, and wait till that. It will be creating the folders, the so-called Python 3.3.2 3.3 sorry Python 3.3 on the C drive, the one by default. So if you have changed, it will be installed in the location where you have chosen. And after creating the directory, the folder, files are copied, then registry entries, so everything will be done and it is ready for finish. The installation procedure is finished. Then we have to start executing the python.exe file. For that we have to go to start button, and in the start button you can see Python IDLE. Click on the Python IDLE. 2-3 options are there: DOS, command mode, documents, Python manual. The last one is uninstall Python. Anyhow, now we are not planning to uninstall Python, so it may take a few minutes, especially for the first time execution. It is loading. Yeah, now it got executed. We have Python 3.3.2 shell on the screen. So you can see the blinking cursor where you can type your commands. So first we are going to try some command mode commands. or shell commands, directly we can give some command. For example, 3 plus 5, the answer will be displayed. And the 3 greater than symbols displayed there, that is the prompt for the Python, where you can type your commands. So the basic mathematical functions you can execute there in the shell prompt. So the details about the Python software is displayed there. And once if you have finished, you can type quit. Actually we have to give a bracket open close, the type of function quit and a bracket open close, so that the software will be executed. In the technical term, killing a process. So it is asking whether to kill the process which is running. Give OK. Yeah, it's done. So installation done, testing done.